Okay, back on this again. Day 2 for this. What's this one for? Where does this go? Ooh, put it over there. Oh, okay. We gotta hook that up. That's called an alternator wire.
Alternator.
That would be important to keep the battery charged. Okay, so we have 2 wires coming off there now. We have this one and the hot wire that we need. This we still don't know what it is. We think it's a ground. These here we do need both of these. So instead of running these down through here, I'm going to run this around the other side. I'm going to have a hot wire from here going down to the breaker down there. And these 2 wires are going to go across here. So I'm going to make a little harness from here all the way around. So where'd my harness tube be? Harness tube me. Okay, you're in charge. I gotta figure out how long that needs to be. So we're going to wind up down here. I'm going to start up over here somewhere. We got a bypass over that area. So we're going to work on the other side of the bike. First thing I gotta do is get this on the correct side of the bike. It's a pretty hard job to do. I can handle that. Look at that. See how I handle that? Alright, I'm gonna get this out of here. Now that's going to come through here. You don't see it no more. No more ugly harness. Okay. We are going to have some ugly terminals right there though. Splices. Okay, so this needs to go over here somehow. Okay, so we're going to cut down through here. We're going to go right through here. Go right by that circuit breaker. And we're going to head down there somehow. I'm not sure how we're going to do that though. Get your finger over the light.
I do?
That's why your finger's getting warm.
Wow. Ta-da.
Highly technical device. Okay, so if we go down in front of over the top of the starter, it looks a little cleaner. And we drop down right into our switches where we want it to be. This. See, keep that nice and tight. I've already got this wire here anyway. Pull up our slack. Zip tie it to your belt under there. It'll work. You like that?
Love it.
I didn't make a schematic. People want to see a schematic of how to wire a bike. That's how you work. Here's my schematic. It's also the real harness.
It works.
It's the real harness, see, all in one. Okay, now the hard part is we're going to put a cut right over here somewhere. Somewhere right about right here. Right about there. It's a special cut. Okay, so now you got to determine where you want to terminate your wires at. Terminating the high, terminating down low. Gravity helps me on this side, so I like low. That's how you make a harness. Kick all that crap out of your way, it's out of your way. Okay, the hardest part of this deal is this has to come through this hole over here. Right there where it has to come out that. And all these three are going to go with the harness. Now if you keep these relatively straight, they push in a lot easier. I didn't check to see if 3 would fit in here either.
And if it's perfect.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Too perfect?
Too perfect. Oops.
Moving on.
That's going to be a problem. I got a feeling it's not going to make it. Because I'm only right to here.
You might.
No,
No, not gonna make it.
it ain't going to make it. Doesn't mean we're not going to try though.
Yeah.
If you pulled it through, I don't have room to put a tie on there. It's too tight. Yeah. Pretty sure we're not going to make it.
You're almost halfway there.
Yeah. Yeah. Halfway to what? Yeah, that don't work.
Okay.
Don't use that. Get my dice out. We'll save that for the next guy.
Okay.
Big stuff. That was my template. I did it on purpose.
You like your templates.
There we go. Was that cut mark at? Right there. Bingo. Extra piece. Alright, let me try that again. Let's see here. Red, yellow, and white somewhere.
Is that like that shrink tube stuff?
Nope.
Oh.
It's conduit, stick wall.
Oh, okay.
Does not shrink. If you try to make it shrink, it just melts. Okay, see how the red one's already up there too far?
Yep.
Pull out thick. Could get behind that wire.
You got tools for everything.
Yep. Things I don't know how far I went. It's right here. That's right there. This will make you bleed.
I believe it.
I know exactly how much it bleeds too. I've done it more than once. Okay, there's our wire. We don't know how long that's going to be yet.
Okay.
Yet to be determined. We know we don't need very much on this because these are right here nearby. But we do want to stagger them. You want all your splices right together, it makes it too hard to do. Okay, now this is going to have to go all the way over to here. It appears we have enough. Of course, this is not where it belongs because it goes down below. Okay, it appears we still have enough to go up that way, but that doesn't really matter if we're not going that way. That makes no difference. What makes a difference is how much we need to go do that job on that end, which is not going to be much, and how much we need on this end, which we're not sure how much we're going to have down there. So you clip it off a little long. So we get extra over here, and we're going to have extra down here too. That way we're not too much. Now we take this one. there with it. That's long enough to get to there. See, it's going to be right up to here. Plenty of length to get what we need. But we can always pull that back too if we need to. And that's going to be right to here. So that's where it's going to be the circuit breakers in and out. Okay, so now figure out how many things we're going to snake through over here. I don't think we're going to snake through many at all. I think we're just going to go right to here. Okay.
Ta-da.
About there. Circuit breakers are right over there. That goes down to there. Looks like I put it in the wrong spot. It's alright. That happens. Now we have the top. We're good on this part. See our length's just right. The bottom length's a little long, but we can cut that off or leave it, doesn't matter. I'm going to take a zip tie. Right here. So you got your belt under here, holding your, not your pants on, but your battery.
Oh.
So if you take this and do a little trick like this, you know, come out the other side, we can get to it. Drag races in it.
Sounds like it.
I know who that is.
That sounds like company.
Sounds like interruptions. All right, we'll be back.
Okay.
Let's close the camera.